So here we are in the still house of Bruichladdich Distillery. It's pretty hot, it's pretty sunny outside, so it's pretty sweltering in here. You can see the stills that we use are very tall and very narrow, which means that the spirit produced at Bruichladdich is very floral and very elegant. The spirit is literally ultra refined, and this accounts for the elegance and sophistication of the spirit produced. No matter what spirit it's aged in, barrels it's aged in, no matter what peating level the barley is when we start, it's always going to be a very elegant, fruity, floral spirit. Here we're distilling Port Charlotte, which is the name of an old distillery that was located 2 miles down the road. We use it for a very peated barley that we use, which is at 40 parts per million. This is in contrast to Bruichladdich itself, which is very lightly, minimally peated. We also do Octomore, which is the most heavily peated barley in the world, at a thumping 80.5 ppm. We have this sign up here because we have web cameras throughout the distillery that people can come and watch on their, if they go to bruichladdich.com, they can log in and watch distilling occurring in real time at any time of day. And we just think that's quite fun, that people can see this old Victorian machinery that we're still using and realize that it does produce whiskey, and it's not just a museum or for show. In fact, we had the CIA were spying on this distillery, thinking we were making chemical weapons, weapons of mass destruction, because they couldn't believe that this old machinery could be used for anything honest, that we must be up to no good when they were looking for chemical weapons in Iraq. At the moment, this is Port Charlotte, and we'll be doing this for the rest of the year. We just released the first bottling of Port Charlotte, which is now 5 years old. Just a very limited 1,000 cases, a sort of a flag in the stand, just so that people can see how it progresses from Port Charlotte PC5 to PC6, PC7, and Port Charlotte 8, 9, and 10. So that's something we're very excited about doing. It's the first spirit that we've actually distilled ourselves, so we're quite proud of that.